वार्निंग देके छोड़ देंगे,
नहीं,
लास्ट चांस होगा
नहीं
उसके
नहीं
बाद से
नहीं नहीं
Cost-
आपके अधिकारियों की टेंडेंसी कॉस्ट भी है,
आगे से
और
बिल्कुल
कॉस्ट भी है और डिपार्टमेंट इंक्वायरी
और
भी है।
आगे से हम खुद ही चाहेंगे कि ये बिना वेटिंग कराए इस तरह
चलिए,
का ऑर्डर नॉनसेंस टाइप
चलिए।
का ऑर्डर ना पास
जी
करें।
जी चलिए नेक्स्ट।
लॉट कुछ कॉस्ट
नहीं नहीं दोनों चीजें बराबर, और कॉस्ट भी अकाउंट पे ही चेक से होगा अधिकारी के।
लॉट
जी।
ठीक है, एक बार उसको कंसीडर कर
जी, हो गया हो गया।
maybe Lord.
Where is your engineering chief?
Lord, he is here.
Call him.
Lord, your lordship, we have already cancelled that order,
You
which
have
is
cancelled, you have not obliged us. आपके अधिकारी आगे आइए, आपके अधिकारी अगर बिगड़ पड़े आदेश करते हैं, what action you propose to take against the executive engineer? Can you fool us? आपने कह दिया 7, 10, 16 के अनुपालन में हमने आदेश पारित कर दिया और कंप्लायंस हो गई।
that is incorrect.
I'll impose cost on you. Not only cost will be imposed, I'll order that departmental inquiry should be initiated because your executive engineer who passed the order does not know law, and he should be removed from the post of executive engineer.
Lord, chief engineer.
A chief engineer, let the chief engineer be removed from that post. He does not know anything.
Lord, the moment we came to know
No,
that, Lord,
not the moment. The moment this court ordered for personal presence of the engineering chief, then you woke up. लिखिएगा।
Lord, your lordship may kindly consider this.
हाँ,
Lord, we have already
हाँ ठीक है, you have cancelled. I am recording it.
Yes.
Chief श्री आपका शुभ नाम बताइए।
कृष्णपाल सिंह,
हैं?
कृष्णपाल सिंह राणा।
Krishnapal Singh Rana. And your officer has the audacity to ask whether you can appear through video conferencing or not. How dare your executive engineer can show this indulgence? Is he not aware of the propriety of the court? Your executive engineer yesterday sent a message to my protocol officer asking him that please ask sir whether the engineering chief can appear through video conferencing. आप लोगों के इतने पंख लग गए हैं क्या?
नहीं होगा सर,
पता नहीं होगा मतलब
नहीं होगा सर, मैं तो
क्या?
आने का मैंने
कहाँ है आपके एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर? बुलाइए जबलपुर के।
Lord, उसमें मिस्टेक ये हो गई, मैंने
उनको भी जेल भेजना है क्या?
Lord, मेरी एक हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है Lord.
नहीं नहीं
एक
आप लोग कोर्ट को बहुत हल्के में ले रहे हैं। एक्चुअली क्या हो गया है?
Therefore,
We are not that those courts.
Lord,
Please
understand.
try to understand.
Lord,
We are not sitting in the lap of the government.
Lord, certainly, Lord.
We are independent constitutional authority,
Yes, Lord.
and we wish to continue till we retire.
Yes, Lord, certainly, Lord. And we are also, Lord, we are also standing here because of blessings of your Lord.
No, not
Otherwise,
you are not here because of the blessings of the courts. You are there because of the blessings of the government.
No, Lord. As a lawyer, Lord, as a lawyer, government is
no, sorry.
Government may come and go, Lord, but as a lawyer, we will always.
These things should not happen.
Lord, certainly, your Lordship may kindly.
I am imposing cost on your chief engineer and ordering departmental inquiry against him. लिखिएगा. Shri Mohan Lal submits that High Court had passed order dated 1st April 2024, passed in NWP 6227/2024, wherein it was mentioned that certain employees were classified as permanent, while award dated 6/8/1998 passed by the presiding officer of the Labour Court Balaghat. Full stop. Awards were enclosed along with the writ petition as Annexure P2 to P10. Full stop. Thereafter, once petitioners were classified as permanent, they are entitled to benefit of permanent classification from the date of their permanent classification in the light of the law laid down by the Supreme Court in the case of Ram Naresh Rawat versus Ashwini Ray and others, 2017 का 3 SCC 436. Next para. It was further submitted that since petitioners stood permanently classified, circular/policy dated 7/10/16 will not be applicable to the petitioner's case, and they are to be governed by the law laid down by Supreme Court in Ram Naresh Rawat. Thereafter, direction was given to consider the cases of the petitioners for regularization in the light of the judgment of Supreme Court in Secretary, State of Karnataka and others versus Uma Devi and others, 2006 का 4 SCC 1 and not in terms of GAD circular dated 7/10/16. Next paragraph. A compliance report filed IA 8268/24 was filed along with the affidavit of one Bharat Singh Adme, Executive Engineer, Public Works Department, Division number 1, Balaghat. And in this compliance report, it is mentioned that respondents have decided the representation of the petitioners by order dated 19/9/2024, copy marked as Annexure R1. Next paragraph. A perusal of Annexure R1 dated 19/9/2024 is signed by Vanshri S.C. Verma, Chief Engineer. तभी आप तब चीफ इंजीनियर थे क्या? अच्छा, वो दूसरे हैं वर्मा जी,
वो तो उनका ट्रांसफर हो गया सर.
चीफ इंजीनियर, पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट, जबलपुर डिवीजन, जबलपुर, where it is mentioned that in terms of the directions issued by Honorable Supreme Court in State Secretary State of Karnataka versus Uma Devi on 10/4/2006, government had issued circular dated 16 May 2007 and all the 7 petitioners were not found eligible for regularization in as much as at the time of their appointment, there were no sanctioned posts available and the provisions of reservation were also not followed, with further stipulation that their recruitment was not in terms of the rules and other conditions were not fulfilled. Next paragraph. Thereafter, Chief Engineer has mentioned that in terms of the Finance Department circular issued by Government of Madhya Pradesh, Vallabh Bhavan Mantralaya, bearing number F5-1/20103/1/3, Bhopal, dated 7/10/2016. All the daily wages have been given benefit of regularization, full stop. Copy enclosed as enclosure B, full stop. Though no enclosure B is enclosed, but this order of compliance prompted this court to pass orders on 24/3/2025 in the present contempt petition, clearly observing that the authorities are trying to fool the court. Full stop. This tendency is, full stop. At this stage, Shri Bharat Singh, learned Additional Advocate General for the state. अब Additional Advocate General की ऐसे ऐसे appear होते हैं कि individual capacity में appear होते हैं contempt में. Your engagement is different from your capacity.
Yes, not sir.
Shri Bharat Singh, Advocate, Additional Advocate General मत लिखिए. Advocate submits that state has withdrawn order dated 24/3/25. Full stop. Next paragraph. ये कौन है भाई? किसका मोबाइल चल रहा है ये? उसको बोलिए पुलिस वाले को, जो पीएसओ को यहाँ पीछे बैठेगा, घूमता रहता है. जब तक कोर्ट चल रहा है, he should sit here. हाँ, क्या लिखा? 25. How and full stop. Next paragraph. He submits that orders of the High Court will be complied in letter and spirit within 2 weeks. Next paragraph. On his request, 2 weeks time is granted. However, not without imposing cost on the chief engineer who passed the order of compliance dated
99.
19/9/2024, trying to fool the court and not reading the orders of the court in the correct perspective, and reading the orders mischievously. Full stop. Chief engineer is directed to deposit a cost of ₹1 lakh from his own salary account through his personal account paid check, which will not be debitable to the public exchequer, for trying to mislead the court by passing mischievously fraudulent orders, dehorse the spirit of the orders of the High Court. Full stop. Principal Secretary PWD is also directed to conduct departmental inquiry against the chief engineer for playing fraud with the High Court by bypassing the orders of the High Court and passing mischievous orders, so to blindfold the High Court to submit that compliance has been made. Full stop. Principal Secretary of the department will initiate departmental inquiry against the chief engineer and shall make an endeavor to complete it within a period of 3 months and submit its report to the registry. Full stop. 2 weeks' time is granted to make the compliance of the order, and while making the compliance, if the stand of the chief engineer is to be maintained, then all documentary evidence in regard to the documents pertaining to the appointment of the petitioners, number of vacancies which were available at the time of their appointment, the roster which was available, and the roster points will be brought by the engineer-in-chief on record. Engineer-in-chief shall again remain personally present if the compliance is not made on the next date.
Lord, मेरी एक humble prayer थी.
हम्म.
अगर परमिट करें तो
List on 9 अप्रैल 2025. चलिए.
अगर एक परमिट
हाँ,
करें
बताइए
तो एक मेरी
हाँ बताइए ना. ले लीजिए ऑर्डर ले लीजिए. श्री मोहनलाल, learned counsel for the petitioner. श्री भारत सिंह, learned
no, my
counsel for
humble
the-
prayer is Lord. You Lord.
I'll record that also. Learned counsel for the chief engineer, Public Works Department, Jabalpur Division, Jabalpur, along with engineer in